Courageous and outspoken war veteran Blessed Bombshell Geza has once again emerged as a bold voice of resistance, calling for renewed nationwide protest to force President Emmerson Mnangagwa out of office. Sanapinda mashikoblanyi kwa vana vazhinji aiwa Geza ochiita the final push yekufitisha mutungamiri wenyika anobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipira vana pamudanyi kwa muchinzi Geza who successfully mobilized a nationwide shutdown last month is now rallying Zimbabweans to stay at home on 22nd and 23rd, urging them to paralyze the country in a powerful yet peaceful show of defiance. On Tuesday and Wednesday, the 22nd and 23rd of April, everyone must stay home. We must shut down Zimbabwe completely, Geza declared in a viral online broadcast. This is to send a strong message to Mnangagwa and his Uganda. Shops and industries will not open, combis will be packed, the police will not tear gas you, but if they ever come to you, you have the right to defend yourselves. In a country where public demonstrations are effectively banned and civil liberties are under siege, Geza says, stay aways have become one of the last tools citizens can use to resist authoritarian rule. Vice President Konstantino Chiwenga, who led the 2017 coup, is said to be quietly building his own power base within the military and party structures. Factionalism is deepening. Pitting Mnangagwa loyalists against the Chiwenga camp is a fierce battle for succession ahead of the next party congress. Recent incidents, like a state media advert that mistakenly read "Rest in peace Mnangagwa," have fueled speculation about internal sabotage and power struggles. Mnangagwa has been accused of systematically weakening institutions to entrench his power. Parliament is routinely sidelined. The judiciary is stacked with loyalists. Promised electoral reforms never came. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZVAITWA remains widely discredited after overseeing sham elections made by irregularities and intimidation. Thomas Kwamdanyo Bapana Pamsoro, Aiwa. PA move irikuitwa awa kufinisha nkurumo pa mtukamiri wenyika. Tudze mafunguro enyi muri kudipa pamsoro pichitu kechipina comment section medu. Don't subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.